Hey everyone, it's Jeff and Manny, and I wanted to kind of go over how to replace the UV light out of the PondMax pressure filters and kind of just show you the right way to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so Manny's going to show us how to take apart the transformer.
So there's 4 screws. I gotta just take them all apart.
Okay. You can use a regular screwdriver if you want to. This is just faster for us to kind of show you how to change this out. So 4 screws take off.
You wiggle it out.
Alright, and it's going to pop right out. It's going to come out with the quartz sleeve also. The quartz sleeve protects the light bulb from water.
Gently twist it.
So it's kind of like a little union with threads. Just thread it off.
And you gently wiggle out the quartz sleeve.
Alright, quartz sleeve comes out, which is pretty much just a kind of a glass tube. Okay, and if you can, when it's a new bulb, you definitely don't want to touch the bulb. If it's an old one, you can take it out without no problem. But what it'll look like inside here is you've got a couple O-rings down here. And I think the O-ring actually goes on there. These O-rings, pull those O-rings out.
Okay.
Yeah. So the O-rings that were in there, we want to put that back onto the tube, quartz sleeve. Okay. And there should never be water in this area or inside the quartz sleeve. That means something has gone wrong. So as long as it's dry, you're good. You want to get a new bulb, and again, just never try not to touch it. If you do, wipe off the bulb, because the bulb will burn out quicker if there's oils on it from your hands. And just kind of clicks into place, as you see there. And put the quartz sleeve back over the top, kind of push down a little bit so it gets nice and snug, and thread on the collar. Okay, and now we're just going to install it back in onto the filter.
And there's O-ring. Make sure the O-ring is in there.
Yeah, always make sure you don't drop any of the O-rings and stuff. And there's a little peg here that it's going to sit on. There you go. So it's kind of flush with the body now of the filter.
And you just bolt it back up.
So 4 screws back on. Screw it down. Alright, to test it, make sure your bulb works, plug it in, and you should see your indicator that will pop on. And I don't know if you can see there, it's glowing blue, which tells you your light is working. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope that helped. And
Hey guys.
see you when you come in. Bye bye.